with us on a spontaneous dater sa Rizal, budget-friendly edition. 10:30 AM na kami nakaalis ng bahay pero ang dami pa rin naming napuntahan. First stop is Hinulugang Taktak. No entrance fee, you just need to pay the car park, which is around 40 or 45 pesos. And after noon, registration lang. Make sure nga pala to wear your comfortable sneakers kasi medyo maraming stairs dito. This is the main attraction in Hinulugang Taktak, the waterfalls. Here we just watched the view and took pictures. Syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala yung mga picture. I think this is a good picnic spot. Maraming family yung nandito and nagpipiknik sila. Meron din silang pool, pero close siya during lunchtime. Here, merong isang mahabang stairs, pero close din siya. Kaya, bumili na lang kami ng souvenir dito kila ate. So yeah, yung falls talaga yung main attraction. Balik na kami nito sa car park and tignan nyo na lang kung gaano kadaming stairs yung nilakad namin. Kaya dapat talaga naka-sneakers kayo. Quick snack before going to the next destination, the Angono Binangonan Petroglyphs, 50 minutes away from Hinulugang Taktak. Before that, we had our lunch muna. Dito sa Ihaw Kamayan. It's a new branch daw, meron din sila sa Taytay and Cainta. Kung tama yung pagkakaalala ko. Soft opening pa nga lang nila kahapon. Here's what we ordered. Kare-kare and sisig, of course. You can find their menu online. Sarap siya and the serving is good since 4 na tao kami and 2 ulam lang yung in-order namin. Pero may natira pa hindi namin naubos. Nakatigda 2 rice kami. Yun nga pala, only rice nga pala sila. Nagulat din kami. After lunch, dumiretso na kami sa next destination, which is the petroglyph site. Yes, no entrance fee din dito. This is the entrance going to the petroglyph site. Medyo mahabang tunnel, and yes, lakaran na naman siya. Don't worry kasi malamig yung hangin dyan sa loob. And on the other side of the tunnel, makakarating na kayo dito, and then another walking hanggang sa makarating na dito sa registration area nila. The registration, pasok lang kayo dun sa room na yon and then makikita nyo yung history or discovery nitong petroglyphs. As always, yung unang puntahin ng asawa ko, CR. After mag-CR, another walking, papunta na dun sa mismong site kung saan makikita natin yung mga carvings. Here, nandito na tayo sa platform. And here, we're trying to decode kung ano yung mga nakaukit dyan. Meron kami mga nakita parang lizard or turtle. And unfortunately, may ibang part na na-vandalize na yata. Kasi letters na yung nakalagay. Siguro hinarangan din nila. After viewing, we stayed here for a while, picture, and we went back to the car para sa next destination, which is the Pilillo Wind Farm. I think lagpas 1 hour yung biyahe namin papunta dito. Pero sulit na sulit, tignan nyo naman yung view. Free entrance nga rin pala dito, you just need to pay the car park. This is the public viewing area. Car park here is 50 pesos. From here, kita nyo yung Laguna Lake. Tama ba ko? Laguna Lake ba siya? Yeah, I think Laguna Lake siya. Problemado sa CR, may pay CR sila per tindahan. Mahilig kayo sa souvenirs, dito na kayo bumili. Kung may public viewing, meron ding private viewing, which is the Santis Farm. Amazing din ang view dito. If you want to know more about Santis Farm, check my profile for the part 2 of this video. Yun lang, bye!